Hello everybody, welcome to Ruby Falcon. Today we're going to be making a grilled ribeye steak. For me, there's no better way to prepare a steak than on the grill. Let's take a look what we need, alright? To make grilled ribeye, you're going to need just two things. A ribeye steak, this is about 350 grams, and 4 tablespoons of your barbecue sauce of choice. Now, some people don't like barbecue sauce. I love it, but if you don't like barbecue sauce, you can use the seasoning found in my pan-fried ribeye video. A barbecue is a really interesting way to cook meat because it is a combination of direct heat like a frying pan from the grill and the flames, but also environmental heat like an oven from the enclosure and the lid of the barbecue itself. So you have to determine how long to cook your steak based on a combination of both the weight and the thickness. This ribeye is quite thick, so I'm going to do it for 4 minutes on one side and 3 minutes on the other side. For a standard ribeye at 350 grams, I would do 3 minutes on one side and 2 minutes on the other side. Always start your barbecue with the lid open on high heat and let it preheat for 15 minutes with the lid closed. Once your barbecue has preheated for 15 minutes or reached over 500 degrees Fahrenheit, go ahead and turn the heat down to medium. We want it to reach that hot because we want to create strong grill marks on the steak itself. Now, I always like creating a diamond pattern, so what we're going to do with the temperature down to medium, put the steak on the grill at about a 60-degree angle and put about 2 of your tablespoons of barbecue sauce on the steak. This first side is the side that we're going to do for 4 minutes. So after you have spread the barbecue sauce over the steak, close the lid and come back in about 2 minutes. After your steak has cooked for 2 minutes, which is half of this one side, lift it up and turn it another 60 degrees to create that diamond pattern, and come back in another 2 minutes. After your second round of 2 minutes, go ahead and flip the steak over. You can see those grill marks already. Put the rest of your barbecue sauce on the steak. Spread it. And come back after the 3 minutes for our second side. After the 3 minutes for the second side, go ahead and remove the steak from the grill. Now, of course, you want to cook it to your desired doneness. I like a nice medium rare. As a matter of fact, I'm a little concerned that I overcooked it, but that's okay. Medium's fine. Normally, the 3 minutes on one side and 2 minutes on the other will do you just fine. Today, I'm serving my grilled ribeye with Mom's Dead Simple roasted potatoes and butter glazed carrots. There you have it. The best way to prepare a steak is really one of the easiest. You only need 2 things: the steak, the barbecue sauce. The trickiest part is figuring out the timing, and that's entirely dependent on your barbecue and your preferences. This is just what I've found I like the most. I hope you enjoy this as much as I do. If you did, you can click up here to subscribe. Down here is something that the algorithmic overlords at YouTube think that you will enjoy from my channel. If it catches your fancy, go ahead and click on it, and I'll see you next time.